Join BTech Cyber Forensic in ITM University Gwalior, one of the top private university for BTech Cyber Forensic. Hi friends, we are facing many problems and challenges with cyber crimes in our day-to-day life. In this technological age, we cannot live without using mobile phones, internet and social media. As users of modern technology are increasing, those many cyber crimes are increasing. Is there any way to prevent cyber crimes? Provide security to us against the cyber crimes and criminals. And do you know how police catch culprits in crimes easily with help of cyber forensic? Would you like to be the one can understand and design systems that will stop cyber attacks and crimes? Then learn more about BTech Cyber Forensic. There is lot of scope and opportunities available for students who study BTech Cyber Forensic. The whole world is facing many problems with cyber security issues. How many cyber forensic scientists do you know as of now? Can you name them? We know many doctors, lawyers, engineers, teachers, but not much about forensic scientists, right? Globally, companies and governments are spending a lot to protect their cyber infrastructure and operations. Lack of qualified and skilled professionals in this area is becoming a challenge. Cyber forensic is the process of preservation, identification, extraction and documentation of computer evidence which can be used by court of law. It is a science of finding evidence from digital media like a computer, mobile phone, server or network. Cyber forensic includes mobile forensics, where investigators focus on call data and communications, location information, SMS and messenger chats. Network forensics monitors and analyze computer network traffic, use of networks, and detecting misuse of networks. Data forensic aims to discover and analyze patterns of fraudulent activities resulting from financial crime. Database forensic investigates how criminals use database contents, log files, add or remove data from servers. From simple cases of broadband theft to sophisticated cases of financial crimes, hacking and cyber attacks, cyber forensic is going to play a major role. India launched big projects like e-governance, Digital India, by which there would be lot of demand for cyber forensic experts. Friends, future of cyber forensic is limitless, and who complete BTech Cyber Forensic will have a great career. Students who complete course in BTech Cyber Forensic will get plenty of employment opportunities both in government and private sector. Top companies which hire BTech Cyber Forensic candidates are Amazon, Capgemini, HCL Technologies, Infosys, Cognizant, TCS, Wipro, to name a few. Government departments like Police, Ministry of Defence, Department of IT and Telecommunications, and various other departments provides job opportunities to BTech Cyber Forensic graduates. Some of the job roles that are open to BTech Cyber Forensic candidates include Security Architect, Security Consultant, Chief Security Officer, Investigation Analyst, Investigation Analyst, Data Analyst, Security Engineer, etc. Average starting salary for fresh BTech Cyber Forensic students would be around 5 to 12 lakhs per annum, and senior level scientists get up to 60 lakhs. Top colleges offering this course: ITM University Gwalior. For admissions and further information, contact Crystal Edu Services. Contact us. Website crystaleduservices.com. Facebook Crystal Edu Serve. YouTube channel Crystal Edu Services.